Welcome to Nuer-Language School. Today we are going to learn Nuer-English daily practice. Let's begin it with you busy, Jin, really, Jin really, you busy, Jin really, nah, free all day. Not free all day. A N Luara Kachang Kelio. Okay. N Luara Kenin Dial. N Luara Kenin Dial. Not free all day. A N Luara Kenin Dial. Not free all day. A N Luara Kenin Dial. What is new? What is new? Engu mi pai talk. What is new? What is new? Engu mi pai talk. Engu mi pai talk. Nothing much. Same. Tele me did. Tele me did. A canteen win. A canteen win. Same. Nothing much. Same. Tell me did a canteen win. Nothing much. Same. Tell me did a canteen win. Sleep well like a baby. Sleep well like a baby. Ka toshni agua Shet kagat. Sleep well. Katoshni agwa shet kagat. Sleep well like a baby. Katoshni agwa shet kagat. Sleep well like a baby. Okay. Angry. Neck bossy. Angry, neck bossy. Okay. Okay, if somebody asks you angry, you can say it neck-bossy in Thok Nath. Neck-body, starving, let eat. Neck-bossy, shan meat. Neck-bossy, starving, let eat. Neck-bossy, shan meat. Cold today, in it, cold today. In it, koshe en wale. She talk, koshe en wale. She talk, okay. Cold today. In it, that is, isn't it? Koshe en wale. She talk, cold today. In it, freezing man. Kosher along. Okay, man, we can say damar, or yeah, damar. Kosher along damar. Okay, you can say like that. Got the time. T k guas k lorry. Okay, lorry. Got the time. Tika guas lorry, you can say it like that. Yeah, it is 4:30. Okay, we can say like that. Ta enut ta ngwan low way ka ta ngwan. Wanna join? Sure, why not? Gori Biromat. Guru Bromat with question mark. On Emigua. On, why not? On, simply say on Angu Mi Day Jack. Okay. Cool. You can say like that, okay? On Angumidijak. How is the family? Kejidwaru wakedi. Jidwaru wakedi. Okay. Jidwaru wakedi. Let's put question mark here. Okay. Jidwaru. How is the family? Jidwaru wakedi. Question mark. I'll teach. All good. Thanks. Ken dial go ke. She lodged the test. Ken dial go ke. She lodged the test. Seen this show? Seen this show? She ngar ame guch. Seen this show? She ngar ame guch. Yeah, it is brilliant. Yeah, it is brilliant. Emi go along. Emi go along. Emi go along. Heading home. We sheng. Heading home. We sheng. Yup. Chuch. Watching. Okay. No. Okay, please do not forget to help Nuer-Language School. Do not forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new lesson, you can be notified.